guys. Don't call me tita na. You know why? I cannot be a tita anymore. Because we had a meeting. I don't want to say what kind of meeting, but it's an exciting meeting that we had. So, ayun, we had a meeting. Tapos, kinalata ko ni Ate Jobs. Sabi niya, what I know you, tinatawag ng tita, but don't embrace too much. Hindi, parang yung thought is parang wag ako masyado magdual sa pagkatita ko. Kasi, nakakatanda siya for me. You know, I have to stay freshy and youthful, guys. Stop calling me tita. Call me baby. Feeling. Stop calling me tita. Come here, baby. Yuck, cringe. Ew. No. Girly. Yun, girly na lang. Girly. Bukang noise ng baby. Dun mara ba? Well, don't call me tita. But your mommy. Yuck! Ayoko. Erase. Yuck. Cringe. Cringe na yuck na may 424 pa naman namin. Erase. Yuck. BBQ. Ano na lang. Call me girly. What's up, girly? Yuck, erase to. Yuck. Ew, cringe ba ito eh. Ew. Anay. Or sis. Yeah. Girly. No, I like girly. Girlie. Gawin mo sa ante. Uy. Girly. I like girly. Aya girly. Ayun. Call me that. Yeah. And dahil, na-call out din yung fashion ko daw. Kasi minsan daw I dress like a tita.